Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making Doubletree cookie recipe, as in Doubletree hotels. When you check in, you get a lovely warm chocolate chip cookie. And I found this recipe online, so we're gonna bake it together today. And unlike I've done in my other cookie recipes, I am not gonna use the knowledge that I have gained over the past 5 years. I will not be adding espresso powder into this recipe. I will not be refrigerating it. I will be following the recipe as written. So we'll see how these taste. Of course, I was inspired by this song. You made me love you. I didn't want to do it without the espresso powder and refrigeration. We'll find out how these taste. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Butter. I'm going to cream this a little bit first because it's a little cold. Sugar, light brown sugar. Mix and cream them together. Egg. Vanilla, and they add some lemon juice in, which will react with the baking soda. Flour, oats, baking soda, salt, dash of cinnamon. Whisk together. Add in your dry ingredients. Mix gently. Add in a whole lot of chocolate chips and your walnuts. Mix gently. Scoop your cookie dough and place it on your cookie sheet. Did you notice the dash of cinnamon and the oats that went into these cookies? It's going to change the flavor profile just a little bit. So into the oven for anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Keep an eye on them. It's been 11 and a half minutes for these very big cookies. Time to take them out. They're looking really great and didn't spread as much as I thought they would, and I attribute that to the cold butter that I used. Let them cool down on the cookie sheet and then we'll take a bite. Look at this great looking cookie. Doesn't it look like those cookies from Doubletree? I think it does. Take a close look. Can see the pieces of chocolate in there, and of course those walnuts. Smells great. It definitely is pulling that oat flavor through, or smell I should say, because I haven't tried them yet. So let's take a bite and see what they taste like. This is a great cookie. It is crispy on the outside and it's ooey gooey in the middle, because of course, did I wait there for them to fully cool? Ha! No, never. I can taste the oats, and a little bit of the cinnamon, I suppose comes through, but it tastes more oatmeal-ish to me, which I always put cinnamon on, so I guess that makes sense. But that explains a lot of the flavor of those Doubletree cookies is the oats in it, and that little bit of cinnamon, which they kind of amps up that oatmeal flavor. This is a great cookie. Do I think that it could be better with espresso powder? Yes. Yes, I do. Do I think that it could be better if you refrigerated them for at least half an hour, if not overnight, and or put in your freezer? Yes. Why, yes, I do. That said, cooking these directly in the oven is going to be a great cookie. I mean, it's a great cookie. If I can make the Doubletree cookie recipe for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more. And if you've seen any products that I've used in this video, check out my Amazon link in my bio.